Hey guys, it's Miss Tatum, and today is our final lesson of reading for the year, and so I'm going to quickly go over what we are going to do. So first I want to say I can't believe it's the end of the year. I miss you guys so much, and I'm so excited to see your faces next year when we come back to school. And I hope you have a great summer. So we are going to do 4 things today. We're going to review each unit. Don't worry, there's only 3 that we're going to be reviewing and answering one question about what we learned over this entire year. Then I'm going to preview what you're going to be learning next year in 6th grade. Then you're going to meet your teacher, your 6th grade reading teacher, Miss Dunbar, and then there's a quick goodbye from me. Good luck. Work hard. This is your last assignment. Show me what you know.